socks.
I'm not sure what to do here. Let's go right it that way, you think?
Should just go straight. You think we'll be okay? Yeah.
Deep up here, we got a hole.
Shallow here.
Oh my, that's shallow.
Good ledge there. Pretty shallow.
Yeah. There's one more real good spot. It's not as consistent. That last one's just consistent. Yeah. And even in this water, it proves to be consistent. I mean, how many did we all catch this? We caught at least 2 or 3 coming on the stretch. I caught 1 on the stretch. I caught 2 more in the hole. I think Ash caught 2 or 3 more there. That's a good number of fish in a small little spot.
Yeah.
I felt a little warm air.
Yeah, that felt good. I don't know where it come from.
I like it though.
It's weird.
Oh, my youngest nephew, his name's Tucker. Melinda's second child. So he's 14 now, but his first year out here, I guess 10, 11. And he was freezing on the river. Freezing. We just worried about deep enough, aren't we? I can't believe I had the motor down coming up into that last time. That is a rookie move.
We made it.
No. And it caused an issue. We'll be fine. I'm going to have to get it up and we'll fix it up here. So where this bridge is, that is the only entrance onto that island. It is risky. They'll drive a tractor across.
Wow.
Truck across there.
Well, I see steel beams. I mean, it looks pretty sturdy.
Yeah, across the top it is, isn't it? And the concrete on the bottom?
Looks pretty sturdy to me.
Just the planks going across it, I guess. We're gonna have to figure this out when we get up here because it's different where we go every time. We'll go through that middle section, most likely of the bridge, and then after that it's low sand, not knowing. There's a big shallow spot right in the middle of that open area. You see where all those rocks are, and they built that road?
Yeah.
We used to be the prettiest thing we ever saw, and we came up in here one time and it was that. We're like, what happened? Oh, I don't know. It was good, man. What do you think? That tree on the left is really shallow.
Yeah, I think we need to go straight. There's a guy fishing here. Oh, that's Ash. He's hung up. Rudder. You got it? Forward.
I'm hung, but ask me how many fish I just caught right here.
How many fish did you
I
catch?
just caught 6 fish right here. And about 10 cats on that little jerkbait.
But you're hung where?
He's dead in the center.
Well, we can go by there.
It's okay.
Well, let's just go by there and see.
Oh, I got it. Holy jeez.
Man, the water's way different, ain't it?
This little guy.
I think this is how it was the first time we came to
They
it.
just hammered this. Hammered it. And these are good fish. Good fish.
Yeah, my last two were good.
Dad, come.
Well, what's the deal? We're gonna catch throw a
No,
couple?
I'm going to pull this in and head on downriver. I'm going to need to catch you guys because we got a long, slow drift. I just want more.
And if you want to throw here, I got it.
I'm good.
We passed the hole now.
Yeah, but remember this bank before they tore it up? We would catch fish all up and down it.
Yeah.
It was so good. It was like the overhanging rocks. It was gorgeous. I mean, I couldn't even fathom how they did it and what it must cost to rip all that up. And they didn't even use that rock bed that was there.
We got that one section coming up. We're going to walk it.
Yep. You know, today we may not have to. It may look completely different. Well, I'm just saying, if the river goes all the way across, there won't be trees. We just crushed it there. What are you talking about? Effort doesn't mean that. Hey, let's stop right here and get our picture made. You want to? With those trees in the background?
A group photo?
Huh?
A group photo?
Well, you and I need one. We'll see if he stops or not. Let's go towards that beach. We'll stand right up there on the point where the that thing will stand up on the ground, right?
Use that to take a picture? Yeah, gotta figure out the timer.